Welcome to Kevin's Cartoon Country.
Swim. Swim. Kids love to swim in the pool on hot summer days. Climb. Climb. The monkey can climb trees with ease. Fly. Fly. Birds fly high in the sky with their colorful wings. Sleep. Sleep. After a busy day, it's time to sleep and dream. Wiggle. Wiggle. The worm wiggles through the soil in the garden. Crawl. Crawl. Babies learn to crawl before they can walk. Cook. Cook. Mom and dad cook delicious meals together in the kitchen. Jump. Jump. The bunny likes to jump around the garden. Roar. Roar. Lions roar loudly in the jungle to communicate. Paint. Paint. Sarah enjoys using watercolors to paint vibrant pictures. Hop. Hop. The frog likes to hop from lily pad to lily pad in the pond. Collect. Collect. Children collect shiny pebbles on the beach. Dance. Dance. We dance to the rhythm of the music at the school party. Sing. Sing. The children sing their favorite songs in music class. Solve. Solve. The puzzle is challenging, but Emma can solve it. Share. Share. It's important to share toys with friends during playtime. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and support us.